Hey guys, it's Link. Out on the four-wheeler today, and I wanted to show you guys this bird. I raised these birds. They're called rheas. They're not as big as an ostrich. What's interesting about them is that the mother only lays the eggs. The father sits on the nest for 40 days and hatches the babies. And he's just hatched 5 of them, I believe. And so the dad does all the work. The dad sits on the nest for 40 days out in the heat, and then when he hatches them, he raises the babies and protects them. So I'm gonna see if I can get him up without him attacking me, so you can see the babies, because they're very, very pretty. And he's mad. Go. And there they are. He's not very happy with me. Oh, don't get me. Don't get me. Oh, well, take care of him. Take care of him. There's a pretty good view of the babies. He doesn't want me to have any part of being around them. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all that. Have a good day.